Alright, so the product is now applied and it feels very slick, very nice in the hair. And now I'm going to come back at the end of the day and see how it's held up to the elements, and I'll see you in about 8 hours. Alright, it has been 7 minutes since I left, and as you can see, it has not held up to the elements whatsoever. I really don't know what happened with this one. So many choices. I have no idea what I want to use. Maybe I should use some of this first-hand clay. I really like that. But then again, I haven't even gotten to try this out yet, and that would probably be pretty good. And this stuff was pretty good, I remember, but I really don't feel like using an oil base today, and I don't know why I got this, but it's not October anymore, it's February. And this stuff is pretty cool, but I really don't, I'm just gonna go to bed. I'm going back to bed. Alright, so this product is marketed as having a super awesome mega hold, which I've never really seen before in a product, but we're going to definitely see how that holds up to a regular firm hold or any sort of other sort of very heavy hold. And my hand is now stuck. Mom? How's it going, everybody? My name is Thomas Draven, back again for another video. And in this one, we're doing something kind of different. I'm actually sitting in front of my computer here. Yes, it's on the floor. It's a little weird, but I'm going to be searching for some pomades to buy today. And if you want to help me with this process, go down in the comments below and give me some recommendations. Maybe I'll do a future haul video. But for this one, I'm already on pomade.com, and we're going to take a look. I've already got a full cart, actually. I did that before I started filming. And let's check out. Ladies and gentlemen of the pomade community, I've realized that I have a choice now. I can either buy pomade or go to college. Leave in the comment section down below which one you think I should do. Alright, well, moving on, I guess we won't be shopping on Mr. Pomade because they're way too expensive, and maybe I'll just stick with buying 1 or 2 products. What's a good product? I really like that high-rise stuff from Arcadian. Let's see if they still have some of that. It appears that they don't. Well, I guess we can't have any more high-rise because it no longer is being made. How about we go and check out Blumon, see if they have any cool products. I've heard really good things about the 5th Sample pomade, and I've always wanted to try it out and pick it up. Let's see if we can go get some. Oh right, it's been sold out for like a million years now. Alright, this is my collection. It cost me probably $200, and I definitely need more because, yeah. Howdy y'all, my name's Cletus Johnson. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Dax Neat Waves. It's a pretty cool product, and I like it because like when you scoop it, I just scoop it. You know, it works really good, and that's how you scoop it. You scoop from the middle. How's it going, everybody? My name is Thomas Draven. We're going to be taking a look at the Red House matte clay today, and I'm just going to take a little bit from the outside, the outer ring of the product, so that we create this nice circle around the edge of the jar, which is just so much more visually pleasing and so much nicer than taking it from the center. I don't know why you would ever take it from the center, because that makes me uncomfortable. Alright, so now we're going to open up the product and try and scoop some out, and here we go. I'll be right back. Alright, so in order to scoop out this pomade, I have my trusty hammer and a screwdriver because I don't have a chisel. And here we go. Alright, so how's it going, guys? My name is Thomas Draven, back again for another video, and the reason I haven't been posting recently is I've had Murray's pomade stuck in my hair for about 6 weeks now, and I don't know how to get it out, and I'm actually kind of scared because I feel like I'm a candle, and if somebody were to stick a wick in me, they could light me, and I feel like now that's the only way for them to get this product out of my hair. This is the end of my channel. Thank you. Alright guys, that was my little skit video on the 10 things wrong with pomades. If you enjoyed, feel free to let me know by giving this video a like or subscribing or leaving a comment down below with another thing that's wrong with the pomades or the pomade community, and maybe I'll do a second installment of this video or similar skit videos if you are into that. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.